Hey there! Welcome to a world where your opinions can turn into cash. Want to make a quick $100 a day just by sharing your opinions? It might sound too good to be true, but it's absolutely possible. Well, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let me tell you how you can do just that with simple online surveys. Imagine sipping your favorite brew while making money from the comfort of your home. SaySo is a market research community where you get paid for participating in surveys that shape leading brands. It's that easy. Companies are eager to hear your thoughts, and they're willing to pay for them. Think about it. Since 2019, SaySo members have raked in over $1,450,075. That's a lot of money just for sharing opinions. You could be part of that pie. Imagine what you could do with an extra $100 a day. Pay off bills, save for a vacation, or just treat yourself. First off, sign up for free. No hidden fees, no strings attached. Just a straightforward process to get you started. The sign-up process takes less than 5 minutes. That's quicker than brewing a pot of coffee. Once you're in, you'll start receiving surveys and other market research activities you can complete. Easy peasy. These surveys are designed to be engaging and straightforward. The surveys take anywhere from 1 to 15 minutes. Perfect for fitting into your daily routine, whether you're on a break or winding down for the day. And if you qualify, you can earn up to $100 a day just by doing these surveys. It's a fantastic way to make some extra cash without a huge time commitment. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Thousands of people are doing it every day and seeing real results. Here's the game plan. Step 1, sign up. It's quick, easy, and free. Step 2, start doing surveys. Log in daily and participate in activities like polls, focus groups, discussion forums, and even product testing and reviews. There's something for everyone. Step 3, get paid. Your opinions hold value, and SaySo rewards you with e-rewards. These rewards can be redeemed for gift cards from some of the biggest retailers out there. Imagine getting paid to shop at your favorite stores. It's like getting paid for shopping. Alright, quick recap. Sign up for free. It's a no-brainer. Start completing surveys and market research activities. The more you participate, the more you earn. Get paid with e-rewards you can redeem for gift cards. Simple, right? It's a straightforward process that anyone can follow. Join over 25,000 people already cashing in. Your opinions are valuable. Why not turn them into cash? So why not get paid for them? It's a win-win situation. You share your thoughts and you get rewarded. Sign up today and start earning. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make some extra cash. And hey, thanks for watching. We appreciate your time and hope you found this information valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on making money online. Stay tuned for more ways to boost your income. See ya in the next video. Keep hustling and keep earning.